Saving money in college is crucial for managing money expenses effectively. And here are some practical strategies. Now, start by creating a budget. All right, that's step one. Track your income, such as allowances, part-time job earnings, your monthly expenses, to identify where you can cut back and what areas you can cut back. Limit dining out by cooking at home instead. Meal prepping can save time and money. All right, so, and you're gonna often eat healthier anyway by doing it that way. Take advantage of student discounts. Many businesses offer discounts for students, so always make sure that you ask about it. Now, next, you gotta buy or rent used textbooks. Check out online platforms, campus bookstores, or library resources to find cheaper options. All right? Utilize campus resources. So take advantage of the free services like tutoring, the fitness facility. I'd be there all the time. And student events, which can reduce additional expenses. All right? Now consider using public transportation or biking instead of owning a car. This can save on insurance and parking fees. Invest everything. Now look for part-time job opportunities that fit your schedule. Campus jobs or flexible gigs can provide extra income without overwhelming your students. Overwhelming your studies. You are the student, yeah. Finally, be mindful of credit card usage, okay? Avoid accumulating debt by only using credit card when necessary and paying off balances promptly. By following these strategies, you can effectively save money while in college.